we're going to IKEA, right? Baby Carnival Freedom. Yes, we are. And look out there. On the road, there's like a thunderstorm. You can see some gray stuff. You can see some gray. Yeah, and that's a thunder. You can see some dark gray clouds. That means a thunderstorm's coming. Right, Mom? Right?
Right.
It means a thunderstorm's coming. So, yep. I'm kind of scared. Are you Baby Carnival Freedom? Yes, I am. I'm very scared. But what if we get struck by lightning? Yeah, what if we get struck by lightning? That will be scary. Yeah, that'd be scary. And then we'll need to go to the hospital. Yes, we would need to. Yes, you would. Well, it depends because we'll have a cardiac arrest. Your heart will stop beating.
Oh my God.
That's a cardiac arrest. Now look. Oh no. I don't want a cardiac arrest. It's when your heart stops beating. I don't want that to happen. Yeah, I don't want that to happen. I don't want to get electrocuted. That's gonna hurt. Yeah, it's gonna hurt. Cause I'm gonna turn that down. Hold on. Now, we're gonna have to go to IKEA. So, and let's look out the window because I'll show you the storm. See, the trees are blowing because there's a storm coming. And we're going there. What's that? So far, so good. We haven't got caught in rain.
So far we haven't been caught in rain, so right, Baby Carnival Freedom.
Yes. And here's the video right here, and we're gonna be seeing you, and we'll guys see you at IKEA. Bye. Bye. Guys, we got some news. We went to my grandmother's house to go take her to IKEA with us, and we're going to IKEA. Thunderstorm is still.
Happy to go to IKEA.
Thunderstorm, because we were supposed to go. Look, there's a thunderstorm right behind us, but just say goodbye to the thunderstorm. Bye bye. Alright, guys, over there is Fun Spot Orlando. Over there's fun. There you can see the sky coaster.
You gotta come up on I-4.
You can see the sky coaster.
That's I-4?
There goes the sky coaster.
What did the other one?
You guys know what state I live in because Fun Spot because Orlando's in Florida. It's over there. Alright, it's gone.
Oh my God. We just saw Fun Spot Orlando.
Oh my gosh, shut up, Waze. Shut up, Waze. There. Alright guys, we're here at IKEA. Let's go. Here we are, IKEA. Whoa, here we are.
That's right, he's not really bringing all them people to your place that you don't even know. That is a very.
I talk about we coming. We coming.
That's a very hard entertainment, especially when you don't know.
All right, bring
Make it closer.
No, just turn in a yard.
My God. I'm with you.
Turn where you can drive through. My God, it's black.
All right,
Alright,
we'll
see
see
you
you when
straight
we're
up.
outside the car.
Where?
All right, Baby Carnival, let's get out. Come on, Baby Carnival. Oh, it's about to thunderstorm. It's about to thunderstorm. Oh, look out. Ah, Mom. All right, let's go.
Oh my
All right, Baby Carnival Liberty, we're here. That's right. Also, Starting to experience rain. Oh. Do I hear a thunderstorm?
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Go! Come on!
It's a mass hysteria.
Guys, I think I hear thunder. And we're experiencing rain. We're experiencing rain, guys. We're going. That's. Alright. Let's go. I want to eat first.
Okay, we're gonna eat first.
Alright, we're gonna eat first, guys. Bloomingdale's is over there. Oh, it's cold. We gotta get inside.
That's how I felt when you were at the ride yesterday. I was freezing. And you were like, one more time, Mama. One more time.
Oh, be quiet. Let's go. Alright, guys, we're in. Alright, up the escalator. All the tables are taken. We'll just check. Not all the tables are. I'll just take this one. Let's take this one. Because we're by the window. Alright. I know it might be thunderstorming.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is terrible.
I know it might be thunderstorming, but I want to be by the window because that's a good view. See? I love being out of the window because I want to look at the kids. I think we got new lights. Pretty nice. Finally here at IKEA. Right, baby Carnival Liberty? Yes, baby Carnival Freedom, we're here. Yeah, go! Let's go! But it's thunderstorming. I hope we don't get struck by lightning. Yeah, I hope we don't get struck by lightning. I hope we don't get struck by lightning, right, baby Carnival Liberty? Yeah, I hope we don't get struck by lightning, baby Carnival Freedom. Now, let's just sit here and wait for our food. Jesus, look at all that rain. Wow, sweet Jesus. Look at all that stuff. Sit over there. Sit over there. Sit over there. Go sit over there. Not with me. Oh, look at all this rain. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at all this rain. They might flood. Oh, our food is here, by the way. Let's eat. Cheers. Boop. Hey, Carnival Liberty. Let's eat. All right. Oh.
I don't have so much gold.
Hi, Carnival Liberty.
Say it first, Mama.
I'm hungry. Alright, let me say it first. God is good. God is great. Thank you for this food. Amen. And make us stay safe from this thunderstorm and us all this rain. And don't get us struck by lightning. Amen. Alright, Carnival Liberty, let's eat. Alright, let's eat. Oh my god. Carnival Liberty, you gotta try this. Carnival Liberty, you gotta try this, baby Carnival Liberty, you gotta try these fries. Let me try. Oh my god, these fries are so good. Let's try these. Let's try these chicken tenders. Alright. I'll take the first bite. Okay, Carnival. Baby Carnival Liberty. We're trying to take the second bite, baby Carnival Liberty. Okay. Oh my god, that's so good. Alright, we got our.
Yep. Buy the meal packages. Go in and have dinner. But now partner's $100.
Oh my god.
I don't like this.
Let's try our meatballs.
$100.
Hey, let's eat.
I said after, and then he's like, oh, Florida residents coming in to the park. I said they don't want to do that anymore.
Swedish meatballs taste good.
I never had a mean job.
I want some meatball.
Oh my god. I can't take that.
Baby Carnival Liberty. Let's eat our baby Carnival Liberty. Let's eat our food. Yeah.
They're eating all the plate.
Nobody, like, and they had short ribs for lunch. Nobody knew how to
No!
Nobody knew how to use a knife and fork.
My chocolate cake fell on the floor.
No, they ate. Stop!
My chocolate cake.
Here, then put your face closer.
That little girl over there, she left now. She was just watching it. I said, I wonder why she's watching it.
I like your piece of strawberry chocolate.
Is he gonna leave all his food over there?
That tastes good.
No, because they've never been taught how to do it.
Tastes good, like baby Carnival Freedom. And this tastes
This
good.
is good.
I know, it's not sweet.
Bad
With
mom.
some coffee.
That is some bad things.
It's also because the way you use a fork is like an 8.
Like an 8.
Like this, your fork.
Guys, we're done with our food. Now we gotta throw it away. Now we gotta throw. Hey mom, don't forget this. Now we gotta throw it away. And now we're gonna go use the bathroom. So I'm gonna get a head start and go use the bathroom. Go right. Alright, come on, baby Carnival Liberty. We're gonna go use the bathroom. Okay, baby Carnival Freedom. Oh my god. My shoe fell off. That's because I'm wearing Crocs off sport. Well, someone's wearing Crocs off sport too. Someone's wearing this. Alright, when we're in the bathroom. See guys, I have an iPhone. Guys, we finished taking a
I need to finish taking a piss, so.
yeah, we gotta go use the bathroom. Now we gotta wash our hands.
Downstairs looking through a phone.
Okay.
Don't fall downstairs looking through a phone.
1,000 products for less than $5.
Or walking into people.
I'm wearing my Crocs off sports mode. Look. I'm wearing my Crocs off sports mode. Whoa. Look at this bed. Oh, let me step on. Oh my god, this carpet feels so good.
Yeah, this carpet feels so good. I think I want to Carnival Freedom. Do you want to lay on this bed?
No, no, we're gonna break the rules. We're gonna get kicked out. Let's just lay on these chairs.
Good idea.
Feels good. Right, baby Carnival Freedom? Yes, it feels so good. Let's go check out the, let's go check out the closet. Oh my god, look at this mirror. Yeah, look at this mirror. It looks so cool. Hello, myself. Hey, stop copying me. Baby Carnival Freedom? I said stop copying me. I said stop copying me. What is it, Baby Carnival Liberty? I'm trying to deal with this other stuff. That's a mirror. It's gonna copy. It's gonna do whatever he does because it's a reflection. Okay, let's just go with our parents. So things. Oh, can we stop in here? Come on. Alright, stop. Stop real quick. I want to check in here. Oh, 16. Is it actually 4:30? It is 4:30. That's the right. Look, Mama, that's the right time.
Yes, 4:30 is military time. You'll be learning that when you go away to school.
Wait. There goes a closet. Oh, this is like a house. I could live here. Oh, the door. Oh, it's not an actual door. Oh my god, this is like a house. This is like a... This is like a house. This is like a house. All right. Nice. Let's sit on this couch. Yeah, let's sit on this couch. Let me take off my shoes. Let me put them back on. Alright, they're back on. Alright, it's time to get up. It's time to get up. Down there.
Oh, I have those. But I have two. This one is nice. But how much are these?
Oh no, my shoe fell. My shoe fell off again. And yes, I do have one Croc charm. Okay, so Mom,
Aiden's mom, grandmother, Aiden's grandmother, can we have some fun together? Oh, there's Aiden's mom. Hi, Aiden's mom.
Hi, Aiden.
I'm Baby Carnival Liberty.
Hi, Baby Carnival Liberty.
No, you're my mom. You're my mom. You're my grandmother. Ugh.
Oh, look, I'm gonna sit in this chair. Hi, Bob. All right, we're gonna sit in this chair and not. All right, let's get out of here. All right, Mother's here. She's right here. Oh, there we are. Nice furniture. So, this is some nice furniture, right, baby Carnival Freedom? Yes, baby Carnival Liberty. This is some nice furniture. $59.99. I can afford that. That's $60, baby Carnival Freedom. What's money? What's money? Money is something you buy. Can I buy feelings with it? Can I buy anything? Some items are free. Okay. Can I buy anything with money? Yes, you can buy anything. It depends if they give you for free. Oh my god, this is cheap. Oh my god, this is cheap. I can afford that. That's $5, baby Carnival Liberty. I meant Freedom. How are you smarter than me? Because I go to school and you don't. Oh yeah, I'm homeschooled. Oh my... Stop. I'm homeschooled. I go to daycare. Oh my god, I just felt water. Look. Oh my god, water just dripped on me, guys. Hold on. Sorry, there's water. See, there's water right here that just fell on me. And then my earbud fell out. So that's why I stopped recording by accident. Okay. Oh my god. So I was a fan of the San Francisco coronavirus. All right. $585. I can afford that. That's $585, baby Carnival Freedom. I can still afford that. I have like $1 million. I have $1 trillion. You are not a trillionaire. $89. $87. That's $86. I can afford that. That's $89, baby Carnival Freedom. Oh, okay. So guys, I got a new phone. Yeah, we got a new phone. Yes. See, look. So you want to know what type of phone is it? It's an iPhone 14. It's just iPhone 14 normal, not Pro or Pro Max. Not Pro. It's just not Pro. It's iPhone 14. See? So you got an iPhone. I don't have that stupid Samsung flip phone no more. I now have an iPhone 14. $596. Wait. $200 million. I can afford that. $200 million. I can afford that. That's $5, baby Carnival Freedom. I can still afford that. No, you don't. Show me your money. One, two, three. You have $3.79, baby Carnival Freedom. Oh, there they are. $5. I have that much. That's $8, baby carnival freedom.
And
$179. I can afford that. $179. I can afford that. That's $160, baby carnival freedom. $197. I can afford that. That's $170, baby carnival freedom. Asking how much money until the last one. $330. I can afford that. Yeah, we know you can't afford $300. $297. I could afford that. That's $235, baby carnival freedom. $2 million. I could afford that. That's $270, baby carnival freedom. $199.99. I can afford that. That's $200, baby carnival freedom. Can you just stop asking me things? Well, that's easy. I can buy that. That's $150, you idiot. Oh. Over here. Mom, over here. Oh, that's paper. He's gonna get in the middle of the camera. $99. I can afford that. That's $10, dummy. $199. I can afford that.
You took it down?
Of course you can. You have like $3.79.
Alright guys, we're in the elevator. Hope we don't get stuck in the elevator.
I don't get stuck in the elevator. You're with me.
Please don't get stuck in the elevator.
so you got your thing yet? Don't somebody gonna have to come to your house and fit it out?
What color you like?
This color. Why would I want that other color?
No, not the chocolate. That's too late.
This
The
one.
beige or the white?
The beige.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Aiden. No, I'm not talking to Aiden about that. Aiden molded me over. No, the
Alright, we're on the
beige one.
elevator. That we're here. Hey, baby carnival liberty. Let's go have some fun, okay? Okay, baby carnival freedom.
And look where Aiden is. Oh God, oh cute.
See? Come on, don't stop being so slow.
You have to, so you just buy that and then put it up
Oh, let's go rest on that couch. Okay, baby carnival freedom. Let's go rest on that couch. What is that little parrot sound? Alright, come on, we're gonna sit on this couch. Let's stop recording that, baby. I accidentally stopped recording. Shoot.
Right. Oh my god, my Crocs are smelly. Oh my god. Oh my god, my Crocs are smelly. Let me listen to my Crocs. Let's listen to Amy Crocs. Let me put my dogs on. Alright, I'm bored. Let's got some fun.
Alright, so we're gonna have some food. We're gonna eat out. Okay, we're gonna eat them. I'm over here. Wait, they're calling me. They're calling her name. Sheet sets. Alright, baby carnival liberty. This is getting boring. Do you want to go home already? Yes, baby carnival freedom. I want to go home. Yeah. But I just want to go home. Yeah, we get it, baby carnival freedom. And it stopped recording again. Yes, we get it, baby carnival freedom. It stopped recording. But I'm gonna throw a tantrum. Put your butt up. Stop saying that, baby carnival liberty. That's a really, really not nice word. Oh, let me hide over there. No, baby carnival freedom.
I want this one.
Can I hide back here?
I'm taking this. I'm buying this one. 129.
Where am I? Mom, where am I?
I'm buying this one. What page is that?
Mom, where am I?
There.
Where? I bet you don't know where I am.
I know where you are. You're on the floor.
Nope.
7 by 7. Yeah. How much that is? 129. That's what it is.
Oh my god.
I think I want to go home.
I'm hiding back here because we want to fart our pants. Why are you being really sarcastic, baby carnival liberty? I'm here.
You're not supposed to do that.
Yeah. Oh, I found cow sheets.
Did you say cow sheets?
I think I found cow sheets.
That's what a cow feels like when they bathe them. Oh, okay.
I found cow sheets. They feel like cows. They feel like cows. Let's have some fun together. Yeah, let's have some fun. But how are we gonna have some fun, baby carnival liberty? I have no idea, baby carnival freedom, but we're just gonna have to figure it out. Okay.
Alright, let's keep walking.
Sure. Did you smell that?
Yep. Boy.
What is it? 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 No one wants to see your teeth. That's disgusting. What is it?
This is so perfect for your room, right?
Smile.
Is this perfect for your room?
Mama, your teeth are for my room. Mama, come here. Come here. Come here. Your teeth are yellow. Your teeth? Oh, I smell fart. My mother's teeth are not yellow, actually. Yeah. Yeah, Aiden's mom's teeth are not yellow. Mama, get that. Oh my god. No. How much is it? How much is it? It's $11.
Maybe $17.99. I say $17.99.
It could be. Well, you guys are gonna get me this though. But then,
I'm not buying no extension. You have extension cords at home.
no, I don't have enough. I don't have
There are
enough.
plenty. I just have to redo it. I'm gonna redo it for you.
Can't we just get this one?
I don't have enough. Come on, let's go. Because I have to move your.
How about this? This one. Mama, how about this one? Mama. Mama. We just got some extension cords because I need a lot of them. Let me sit in this chair. Let's sit in this chair, baby carnival. Liberty. Yeah, baby carnival.
Oh, this is the picture.
Let me move around. Let's move around. Move around. We're on the tilt-a-whirl. We're on the tilt-a-whirl. I'm getting very dizzy. I'm very dizzy. Whoa, baby carnival, let me have this for swimming. Mommy. Oh no, my Crocs are gonna fall off. Now my Crocs are gonna fall off. Oh no, my Croc fell off. Oh no, there we go. Oh no. My Croc's gonna fall off. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Let's get the fart out. Alright, that was good.
Please, Longo.
go get her. But guys, we're already here at the summer self-serve area. Mom, let's go.
Where's your mom?
Over there. She's at the self-serve. Come on. Alright, let's go. Yes, we've been waiting here.
Bueno, la cocina empieza por acá, ¿no?
No se echarle agua, nada. Tomaste así todo el año.
Mama, 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 behind you. Mama, Daisy. Yeah, stop recording. Don't worry. Alright, baby Carnival Freedom. We're here. Alright, baby Carnival Liberty. We're here. Yes, we are, baby Carnival Freedom. Let's go check out. We'll see you guys at the checkout.
Yes, we will.
Alright guys, we're at the checkout. Alright guys, we're at the checkout, so let's have some fun. I look, I can see me in the camera. That's so cool. But we're not gonna look at
IKEA.
No, I'm
So guys, look, I don't want to sit up. No baby Carnival, don't sit there. But real soon we'll be leaving and we'll be recording. Done recording really soon. In like a couple of minutes we'll be leaving, and in a couple of minutes we'll stop the video. Carnival, would you like to scan? Sure, I would love to scan. Okay, let's scan. Scan. Any more? Okay. Your turn, baby Carnival. Okay. Go. This is baby Carnival.
Yeah.
Wait, how do I scan this thing? Oh, I don't scan that. Oh, you scan the barcode. Okay.
I hope there's enough hangers.
Mom, move. You have any more? Is that it?
I think we're only the cash.
$14.84. So, guys, if you're wondering, I know how to pause the video now. There's like a pause button. There's like a 2 lines button, and I just hit that button. I'll hit that button right now. God, it smells like somebody farted. It smells like somebody farted. Guys, I feel like somebody farted for real. No lie. Sweet Jesus, that's an awful smell. Little baby Carnival Liberty. Put it up there. Alright, there you go. Let's go.
Oh, there's one.
And guys, now we're gonna go get some ice cream.
It's W.
I need ice cream.
Oh, how do I buy an ice cream? Just in a home?
You have a kiosk right here.
Let's go. We're gonna go buy ice cream. No, we're not buying that. We're buying chocolate.
You see it?
I think I want vanilla. Cause I
Oh, the
already
yogurt.
vanilla.
Vanilla?
That's frozen yogurt. Oh. Wait, frozen yogurt is ice cream?
Yes, it is.
Sweet Jesus.
You want
I
it?
didn't know that. Yeah, sure.
A cone or you get the cup.
Cup. Oh no, my shoe fell. I mean, if I can't handle it, I'm just gonna put them on. Oh god, sorry. Let me just put them on sports mode.
Yogurt, Mom?
There, so that way they don't fall off. And now they're on sports mode. I'm putting this back. Alright, we're back to sports mode.
Okay, good. That's perfect.
Those rocks are so white, like, what the
Hey, let's go get your ice cream.
Alright, let's go get our frozen yogurt. Look at... Mom, did you know that frozen yogurt is ice cream?
I don't know what it is.
Frozen yogurt.
No, it's this way.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Get your soda.
Soda here.
You said that's what you got the cup for. I thought you said you wanted a soda.
I already have soda.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I want this. I want cherry.
No, you're about to get ice cream.
Cherry.
You're about to get ice cream. Go get your
I'm gonna be everywhere. The ice cream's ready. Eat.
Alright, guys, let's eat.
Pega por baixo que esse prato é todo mole.
Holy crap. Your turn, baby carnival already. Alright, I'll try one. Alright, let's eat. That frozen yogurt. That frozen yogurt tastes so good. Oh my god, I'm eating yogurt. I'm eating yogurt. Here, let's eat yogurt. Yeah, let's eat some yogurt.
Are you coming? All you really wanted, you didn't want to go, you know.
Did you already pay? Alright. We may end the video here a little bit, but okay, we'll just start again. Alright guys,
You can make it.
we're here. And it's still raining, guys.
Alright guys, that'll be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and have a good time. And this is Baby Carnival Freedom and Baby Carnival Liberty logging out. Signing out. Bye, fatties. Oh, you guys are not fat. Bye-bye.